Welcome. Today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pro, and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So first you should just swipe with your two fingers at the same time to the center, and here you'll see the transition section. Tap there. Now we get selected the default transition. Here you can just see all of these transitions, and just to select one from each of these transitions. For example, I'll go with the flip one. Now just tap here to the home button, and as can you see, we just successfully changed our home screen animation. And if you want to just go back to the default one or to select another one, you by the same way swipe to the center with your two fingers, and here, for example, select the default one. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.